President Draupadi Murmu addresses joint session of both houses of parliament as its government is fully committed to investigating recent incidents of paper leaks. CBI team reaches Hazaribagh in Jharkhand to investigate NEET paper leak case. Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul inaugurates national consultation on legal environment assessment for One Health activities in India in New Delhi. Defence Research and Development Organization hands over medium-range microwave obscurant shaft rocket to Indian Navy. Opposition criticizes President Draupadi Murmu addresses to joint sitting of parliament, saying that the address ignored the real issues including poverty, inflation and unemployment.